Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosalie and I'm so excited to show you guys my new elephant pattern. It's an exclusive pattern that's available to my Advanced Club members on Patreon this month. This is slow-sew, quick and easy pattern. Only the ears need to be sewn on. You can crochet both the elephant boy and the elephant girl. This is a digital PDF. It also includes 4 detailed video tutorials to guide you through the process. I really hope you enjoy my new pattern. I'll leave the link in the description under the video, so you can check it out. I'd love to have you on my team. Thank you. See you again.